Hello guys, welcome back to Current Technologies. I'm Michael and in this is part 3 of our image uploader Android app tutorial. In the previous videos we finished the implementation of the model and the view model layer, and now in today's part we are going to build the UI where user can interact with our application. For that we have only a single screen, which is the main activity screen. Inside this main activity .xml layout file, we need a list to display our images, and mainly we need a button to upload a new image, and then we can add a swipe refresh layout to make our list refreshable. So first thing, make sure that the dependencies for the swipe refresh layout, for the material design, and for the recycler view, all these dependencies, make sure that they are already added or imported to your project in the build.gradle file. Okay. Now open activity underscore main.xml and let's start building uh, our UI, adding views and widgets we need. So here we have a parent constraint layout and the text view. Please keep them like the same. And we will add some other views and widgets. Let's start adding a recycler view here. Set the constraints to parent. Let's add a floating action button to upload a new image. Put it here. And let's select an avatar for this button. Yes, let's select this one. It's suitable for the purpose of that button. Also, let's add a progress bar widget to show it while loading the images. Please put it here. Yes, and let's set constraints for all these views. Let's make some edits in the code. The text view, let's change this text to make it no images found, because this text view will be only visible if our list is empty, which means there is no uploaded images on the server. So let's make the visibility, set the visibility to gone. Okay. Here we have our recycler view. Change the ID to images list, or images underscore list. The floating action button also, let's change the ID, make it upload underscore button. Okay, no problem. Yes, it's all done. We can add here the swipe refresh layout. Cut the recycler view and make it a child view of the swipe refresh layout. Give the swipe refresh layout an ID. Swipe underscore refresh. Also set the constraints for the swipe refresh layout. Let's make it the same as the recycler view. Just copy and paste. This one is useless, you can delete. Go to the design. Yes, it's all done. One thing is remaining, that we have the recycler view, we have the list. Here we need a list item layout file to show a single item in that list. So for that, go here in the layout folder and create a new layout resource file. Call it list underscore item. Go to the code, change this constraint layout. We don't need it. Make it frame layout. Change this height to wrap content. We need only image view here. Select maybe this avatar, anything you want. Okay. Where is it? Okay. Go to code. Let's add an image view. Set the width to 200 dp. Also the height for 200 dp. And let's add margin to this image view. Only 8 dp is enough. And let's give it an ID. We call it image list item. Okay. Now let's give it an avatar. Very good. Let's add this list item to our recycler view. If you notice here, the list is empty. But now when we add the list item, it will be showing the same design as an items of the list. So that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Also subscribe to our channel and wait for part 4 very soon. Happy coding!